In extreme cold, frozen sharp sea, in a harsh sight, no one knows what may happen. There is one who will open a new way. Minus 50 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 3 meters of the thickest ice. A road finally opened by breaking the limits that haven't even allowed for people to walk. PKVALVE is right on this road. Control the flow. From ice-breaking LNG carrier that breaks a frozen sea, to LNG receiving terminal, liquefied hydrogen service, and various industries. And even for very high temperature service, such as nuclear power, there is PKVALVE. PKVALVE makes reliable products and quality at minus 196 degrees Celsius. A history of cryogenic valve of PKVALVE started in 1985. 3 years after producing cryogenic valve for the first time in Korea in 1985, PKVALVE was registered as an approved vendor of Qatar Gas Corporation. Today, with ice-breaking LNG carrier, PKVALVE moves forward to be a global top-tier flow control total solution provider beyond #1 company in the field of industrial valves in Korea. There is no limit to PKVALVE. Products and performances that can be reliable in any extreme harsh condition. Cryogenic valve that demonstrates excellent performance under condition of minus 196 degrees Celsius. Only the one that has passed through strict test in the extreme environment can come out of the world. A paradigm in rapidly changing energy market. PKVALVE is at the beginning and the end of it. Cryogenic ball valve, cryogenic butterfly valve, cryogenic gate valve, cryogenic globe valve. Through verification of zero tolerance, a valve created by PKVALVE's know-hows and technologies that have been accumulated over a long period of time. Differentiated product competitiveness, industry's best production capacity, boosts the best quality. There is nothing impossible to PKVALVE. Strongness that breaks the limits with the enthusiasm and challenging spirit. A leader moving toward the world, PKVALVE will be with you in a new energy era.